lesson number 10, application number 41, submitting to calculate integral radical index 208 3 multiply x at 9 power 6 multiply minus radical index 480 from 9 multiply x minus 6 power 25 multiply differentiable variabile x equal integral radical indicate 208 from 3 multiply x at 9 power 6 multiply differentiable dx minus integral radical indicate 408 from 9 multiply variable x minus 6 power 25 multiply differentiable x index 1 equal radical index 208 from 3 multiply x add 9 power 6 multiply differentiable x variable is changing 3 multiply x at 9 equal t differentiable 3 multiply x at 9 equal differentiable t 3 multiply x at 9 first derivative multiply differentiable x equal differentiable t 3 differentiable x equal differentiable t differentiable x equal differentiable t divided 3 e1 equal 3 power 3 104 multiply differential t divided 3 equal 1 divided 3 multiply t power 3 divided 104 at 1 divided 3 divided 104 at 1 e1 equal 104 divided 321 multiply 3 multiply x at 9 power 107 divided 104 at constant C1 e2 equal radical indicate 408 from 9 multiply x at 6 power 25 multiply differentiable dx 9 at 6 deci change variabile 9 multiply x at 6 equal n differentiable 9 multiply x at 6 equal differentiable n 9 multiply x at 6 first derivative multiply differentiable x equal differentiable n 9 differentiable x equal differentiable n differentiable x equal differentiable n divided 9 i2 equal 9 multiply x at 6 power 25 divided 400 I. Differentiable x equal integral change variable n power 25 divided 400 I multiply differential differential n divided 9 equal 400 I divided 9 multiply 400 33 multiply 9 multiply x minus 6 power 400 33 divided 400 IT at C2 I total equal I1 minus I2 final full function application 42 submitting to calculate tangent x at 1 divided tangent x power 2 at 6 multiply differentiable x change variabile tangent x equal t artangent tangent x equal artangent t artangent tangent x equal x x equal artangent t differentiable x equal differentiable artangent t equal y artangent fără derivative divided de t differentiable t differentiable x equal 1 divided 1 at t power 2 multiply differentiable t I equal t at 1 divided t power 2 at 6 multiply differential de t divided t power 2 at 1 composite fraction decomposition and simple fraction t at 1 divided t at power 2 at 6 multiply t power 2 at 1 equal a multiply t at b a b c d constant divided t power 2 at 1 at c multiply t at d divided t power 2 at 6 denominator common equal numerator t at 1 equal a multiply t at b multiply t power 2 at 6 equal c multiply t at d multiply t power 2 at 1 0 multiply t power 3 at 0 multiply t power 2 at t at 1 equal a multiply t power 2 at 6 multiply t add b multiply t power 2 at 6 at c t power 3 at t power 2 at 1 0 multiply t power 3 at 0 multiply t power 2 at 1 divide multiply t at 1 equal t power 3 factor common a at c at t power 2 factor common b at d t factor common 6a at c add 6b at d equal coefficient a at c equal 0 b at d equal 0 6a at c equal 1 coefficient t free term 6b at d equal 1 result a b d c a equal 1 divided 5 c equal minus 1 divided 5 b 1 divided 5 d minus 1 divided 5 result t at 1 divided t power 2 at 1 multiply t power 2 at 6 equal t divided 5 add 1 divided 5 divided t power 2 at 1 add minus t divided 5 minus 1 divided 5 divided t power 2 at 6 equal 1 divided 5 t divided t power 2 at 1 at 1 t power to add 1 minus 1 divided 5 multiply t divided t power to add 6 and 1 divided t power to add 6. Integral integration result e equal 1 divided to integral t divided t power to add 1 equal 1 divided to logarithm modul t power to add 1. Integration dt divided t power to add 1 equal arctangent t minus 1 divided 6 divided 5 integration t divided t power to add 6 differentiable t equal 1 divided 2 logarithm modul t power to add 6 integration dt divided t power to add 6 equal 1 radical 6 arctangent t divided radical 6 at constant c. T equal tangent x final full function. Result final full function. Application 43. Submitting to calculate. Integral differential x divided x multiply x at 6 then composite fraction decomposition in simple fraction. 1 divided x multiply x at 6 equal constant a divided x at constant b divided x. Denominator common equal numerator. 1 equal a multiply x at 6 at b multiply x 4. X equal minus 6 minus 6b equal 1 b equal minus 1 divided 6 4 x equals 0 in equation. In the equation equal 1 equal 6a multiply x at b or 0 a result 1 divided 6 result 1 divided x multiply x at 6 equal 1 divided 6 multiply x minus 1 divided 6 multiply x at 6. Integral integration differential x divided x multiply x at 6 equal 1 divided 6 logarithm x minus logarithm x at 6 equal 1 divided 6 logarithm modul x divided x at 6 at c constant c. Final full function. 44. Submitting to calculate. Integrate differentiable x divided x multiply x power to add 12 change variable x power to add 12 equal t x power to equal t minus 12 differentiable x power to equal differentiable t minus 12 x first derivative x power to equal 2 multiply x multiply differentiable x equal t minus 12 first derivative equal 1 multiply differentiable t result x multiply differentiable x equal differentiable t divided 2 equal integration integral equal dt x dx det differentiable t divided 2 t minus 12 multiply t result e equal 1 divided 2 integral differentiable t divided t multiply t minus 12. Composite function, the composition is simply fraction. 1 divided t multiply t minus 12 equal a divided t at b divided t minus 12. Denominator common equal numerator a equal a multiply t minus 12 equal b or t equal numerator. For t equal 0, a equal minus 1 divided 12. For t equal 12, 1 equal a multiply 0 add 12b. b equal 1 divided 12. Result 1 divided t multiply t minus 12 equal minus 1 divided 12 multiply t add 1 divided 12 multiply t minus 12. Integral differential t divided t minus 12 multiply t equal 1 divided 12 logarithm modul t minus 12 divided t. T equal x power 2 at 12. Result final full function. Method 2. Integral differentiable divided x multiply x power 2 at 12. 1 divided x divided x multiply x power 2 at 12 equal a divided x at bx at c divided x power 2 at 12. Denominator common equal numerator 1 equal a multiply x power 2 at 12 at b multiply x power 2 at c multiply x. 1 equal 0 multiply x power 2 at 0 x at 1 equal x power 2 factor common a at b at c x at 12 multiply a. A at b equal 0, c equal 0, 12 a equal 1. Result a equal 1 divided 12, b equal minus 1 divided 12, c equal 0. Result 1 divided x multiply x power 2 at 12 equal 1 divided 12 multiply x minus 1 divided 12 multiply x divided x power 2 at c. Integral 1 divided 12 multiply x minus 1 divided 12 x divided x power 2 at 12 multiply differentiable x equal 1 divided 12 logarithm module x minus 1 divided 20 40 logarithm module x power 2 at 12. Final full function 45. Application. Submitting to calculate. Integral tangent x at 3 divided tangent x power 2 minus 8 differentiable x. Change variable tangent x equal t. X equal r tangent t. Differential x equal 1 divided 1 at t power 2 multiply differentiable t. Result integral t at 3 divided t power 2 minus it multiply differentiable x divided t power 2 add 1 composite fraction decomposition in simple fraction t add 3 divided t power 2 minus it multiply t power 2 add 1 equal a constant a divided t minus 2 multiply radical 2 add b divided t add 2 multiply radical 2 add c t multiply t add d divided t power 2 add 1 denominator common equal numerator t add 3 equal a multiply t add 2 radical 2 multiply t add 2 add 1 add b multiply t minus 2 radical 2 multiply t power 2 add 1 add c multiply t add d multiply t power 2 minus 8 any t belong set complex numbers relation 1 in relation 1 the variable t is replaced with value 2 multiply radical 2 result 2 radical 2 multiply radical 2 at 3 equal a multiply 4 radical 2 multiply 8 at 1 0 0 result a 3 at 2 radical 2 divided 36 multiply radical 2 in relation 1 variable t is replaced to value minus 2 radical 2 result constant b b equal 2 radical 2 minus 3 divided 36 radical 2 multiply radical 2 in equation 1 variable t is replaced 0 t equal 0 result d equal minus 1 divided 3 in relation 1 replace variable is value 1 t equal 1 result c equal minus 1 divided 9 a b c t t at 3 divided t power 2 minus 8 multiply t power 2 at 1 equal a divided t minus 2 radical 2 at b divided t at 2 radical 2 multiply radical 2 minus 1 divided 9 t divided t power 2 at 1 minus 1 divided 3 multiply t power 2 at 1 integral a logaritm modul t minus 2 radical 2 at b logaritm t at 2 multiply radical 2 minus 1 divided 18 logaritm modul t power 2 at 1 minus 1 divided 3 are tangent t at c t equal tangent x result final full function